Midco Sales has a new Dorsey Combo Giant flatbed trailer in stock at its dealership in Chandler, Arizona. This flatbed measures 48 feet long and 102 inches wide. It has an aluminum deck with 4 nailer boards. The main beams and cross members are constructed from steel, and a reinforced coil package allows this trailer to haul heavy steel coils. Sliding winch tracks and recessed chain ties provide versatile cargo control options. This trailer features a Hendrickson air ride slider suspension system on closed tandem axles. The double coin tires are mounted on polished aluminum outer wheels. A toolbox is mounted on the driver's side. Midco Sales is an authorized Dorsey trailer dealer. Visit midcosales.com to learn more about any of the Dorsey flatbeds in stock.